Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light bulb on this Ford Fiesta. So as you can see, this is our brake light in there that we're going to be replacing today. So we need a torque, start torque, and this is a seats running. Let's remove these screws. Now once those screws are out, you need to come into the boot and just remove this little cover here. As you can see up there, we have a lot of tab. You see that little tab up there? You need to unscrew that. As you can see, that's the tab. Now, let's twist it anti-clockwise. Should just come out. As you can see, it's a double filament bulb. It's also for the side light as well. You can see the one that's blown in there. You can see the filament. You see the gap between it. Now we've got a new bulb, so we're going to fit that. So that's now back in, so all I've got to do now is just put it back in there, line it up. So now we're just going to plug our plug back in. Then just line it up, put it back in. As you can see, it's got some tabs on the side there that needs to be lined up, and literally just push it and it sits flush. Now we're going to put this back in. As you can see, it needs to go up there. Just reach in with your left hand. See, it's now back on, and this cover, this is just feed it back underneath here. Wow. Now just put the screws back in. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.